Do you want to know how you can get hearts on Sololearn? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn hearts on Sololearn. So let's go ahead and start the video. So what you need to do is go to Sololearn and you must start some courses. So after you have started the course, you can see that these are the chances you have got, and we are down to 2 hearts only. So let's go ahead and choose this and start practicing the language over here. So I'm currently practicing HTML. You can see that I'm doing this. So let's suppose I do an error over here. You can see that the heart has been removed and we only have 1 heart left. So we'll do continue and let's try not to make any mistakes. So we are completing it. So you can see the basic information over here. So we need to fill in this. So if this is incorrect now, you can see that the hearts must be refilled in order for you to learn fast. So go ahead and click on refill for free and you can see that you must pay for other hearts. So for once you can refill the hearts when you are a beginner, but as time goes fast you will start to need more hearts. What you need to do is pay for the hearts. So in order for you to do that, you must get the pro version of Sololearn. This way you can refill more hearts quite easily. So I hope this video about how you can refill the hearts on your Sololearn account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.